So we got a good bite this morning. Wow, he inhaled this thing. All right. Look at the size of this monster. Thank you. So look at the size of this monster. Good fish for the first day, and get him in the live well and keep going. I didn't know how big he was going to be with all the weeds, but I'm going to weigh him in a little while. He's over 6. Half of my boat is covered in weeds, but well worth it. So hey, it is duck hunting season again here at Lunkers. This is the first tournament for the year. We start our tournament on November 18th. I moved up from where I caught that one bass. It was a 531 if I didn't show the camera earlier, and got him on a jig. Now I'm fishing a floating, well, it's a floating mat. There's a little sunken island. It's about 3 feet underground. Comes down really nice slope, loaded with vegetation, and just working a shaky head down here. Had a couple of bites, just sunfish, but hopefully we'll pick up a bass soon. There we go. All right. That one, it's been a while. So I just got to a new spot and I said, I'm gonna throw the swim bait. I don't know if he's gonna keep, but hey, we got a fish on the swim bait, so that's a positive sign. If I can get a little one, we can get a bigger one. Let's measure him. I don't think he's gonna keep, but I have to measure him. Well, he was close. He was 11 3/4, and I just pulled up and I still have my driving glasses on. So let him go. And so it's 11:30. It has not been a rip-roaring day. You know, I've got a short and a really nice keeper, but other than that, and a few sunfish hits, it's been tough and slow. I don't know. There we go. Little one. That's right, he got off. He was only about 6 inches long anyway. So it's 1 o'clock. I still only have the one fish in the live well. I've been trying not to get away from the Cinco, but not to fish it as much. But it is now 1 o'clock. I got 2.5 hours. Got some nice hyacinth. Hey, my buddy does length tournaments online. Yeah. He'll be starting again in the spring, but it's Shane Flint Outdoors. Yeah, and he does length tournaments. You can fish from a boat, kayak, shore, whatever. Yeah. Good luck. Oh, yeah. Oh, big one. There we go. This better not be a mudfish. Oh, nice. Oh, mudfish. All right. So he started fighting like a bass after a few minutes. But big old mudfish. tearing my stuff up. So yeah, first cast with the Cinco, mudfish. All you can do is smile. That's it. So, a fishtail for the day. I had a tournament last week, and sometimes you get into a rush and you can mess up something you think is so simple. So, if you saw my video on how to cut down a trolling motor shaft, I had just put the trolling motor on, and I even in the video said how quick and easy it was. And yes, there's 4 holes, but in the mount there's 6. So I put it up there, and I was standing next to the side of the boat doing it, and I looked and it was overhanging the edge, and I figured it was far enough forward. So mounted it, tilted it up, made sure everything worked. I was happy. I proceeded, make the video. The next day, I go to my tournament, and luckily my fishing spot was nice and close, about 2 miles up the road. I hop out, go to load the trolling motor. Trolling motor only goes to 45 degrees because I had it in the holes this side, and the trolling motor needed to be pushed 4 inches up that way. So needless to say, I couldn't fish, so I took the boat off the water. Of course, it's 6:30 in the morning, nobody's open, I don't have any tools, and even if I did, I couldn't have taken it off because when they installed the trolling motor the first time, they offset one of the holes. Well, I reamed it out and tried to slide it over, but it's still a little offset, and when I tightened it, it bent the bolt a little bit. So I only got a couple of turns on it, and then that was it. I had to hacksaw that damn bolt off. So lessons learned, don't be in a hurry, and that cost me a whole day of fishing. It was an hour-and-a-half drive there, or an hour and 15 minutes. Hour and 15 minutes back. I felt like an idiot, but I figured I'd share the story. Just don't be in a hurry, and no matter how many times you've done something, you can still make a mistake. So, oh, I just said you get some good ducks this morning.
We shot at them.
Oh,
I just can't hit them.
Okay, well, so we are hunkering down. We are fishing real slow with the Cinco, and we'll see what we get. If not, we will be filming the weigh-in. I am the new tournament director for the Lunkers Bass Club, and if you guys are looking for a little local club to join, we're out of Panama City, Florida. We fish Seminole, Telquin. We usually go up to Eufaula once a year, and we fish the Apalachicola, Chipola River chain, and all that area. So, hey, if you want to fish, look us up. Yes! I knew you were in there. I got a big wad of grass with this guy, but I think he's still on there. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. I had a fish on there. It was about a pound, pound and a half. I don't know how he got off. Maybe in the weeds. I think on the camera you could have seen him jump. So hey, that was my last cast. Tough day. It started out real good. I've been optimistic all day ever since that fish. It just didn't go, you know. I don't know. I finally got down to the Cinco, and I lost 2 fish on a Cinco. So, you know, I should have 3, but hey, that's fishing. I've got 1, but 1's better than none. So let's go to weigh-in, and we'll see you soon.
All right, let's go ahead.
Whoa,
Damn, man, look at
nice
there.
fish.
Shit.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry, man. Hey, sometime you'll have to tape your ears up. Us old people get carried away sometimes.
Fourth,
Just stick
30
your finger in
seconds.
your ears. Your ears say something. Good gracious, look at there, man.
All right. 10-19. Good job.
Fish.
Wow. 634.
2 fish.
We'll do bigger than
292.
Matt is 437.
414.
Gary's got one.
Really? All right, Jerry,
Already wrote your name in there?
You might want to hold up. It's pretty decent.
I'll hold them in up.
It's decent. I think it's bigger than mine.
531.
535.
Gary said it was 5:30.
Well, that was on my scale.